Sheila. Welcome back to my channel. Today I am here to share with you guys an unboxing on the makeamom.com Cryobaby. It is their new product that I'm super excited to share with you all today so that you guys can get a first sneak peek at this product. I have reviewed other products for them in the past, such as the Baby Maker, the Love Maker, the Impregnator, and they have nothing but quality products, and I know the Cryobaby will be the same. So before we jump into unboxing this new product, go ahead and make sure you guys are subscribed to my channel, hit the notification bells for future updates, leave a comment down below to let me know that you made it to this video, and of course give me a thumbs up. So if you're someone who is on the journey to motherhood and you're looking for the supplies to help you get there, makeamom.com is the ultimate source, and that is why I am happy to be collaborating with them yet again today. So let's go ahead and get into this. So the Cryobaby, it comes in this container, which is different than their other products. The other products kind of come in a bag. So actually I like this. I think the packaging is very nice. It has all of the instructions on the outside. So inside you have the Cryobaby syringe and you have the specimen cup. And then on the back you have the directions on how to use it. I think that's really helpful just because you don't have to like keep it with a piece of paper, and you can of course clean and dry your Cryobaby off and store it back inside of this tube, and this will easily fit into a sock drawer or something like that. So inside we have the Cryobaby syringe. Now this syringe is very long, you guys, much longer than any of the competitor products on the market when it comes to syringes. So definitely like the length of that. Otherwise, there is also a specimen cup inside for your specimen. Now let's take a look at this syringe. So the syringe is much longer. So if you're watching this, you know that sperm can be very expensive. For 1 milliliter of sperm, it's around $1,000 on average. So you want to make sure that you're literally getting every last drop inserted into yourself. So with the Cryobaby, you're going to be able to do that. So you're going to be sure not to waste your money. Now, I'm just going to draw back my fluid to give you guys an example. So I've drawn back fluid into the Cryobaby, as you guys can see, and then I'm just going to expel that fluid, and as you can see, all of the fluid is out of the syringe. So every last drop you're going to get out of the syringe when you insert it inside yourself. So you'll be sure that you're giving yourself the best chance of getting pregnant, because all of your sperm that you've purchased is going to be able to be inserted inside of yourself. Also, the Cryobaby is only $69, whereas the Mosey Baby is $99, and it's not reusable. So this is washable, it's reusable, and it's less money than the Mosey Baby, and it's way longer than the Mosey Baby. So with the syringe, you want a syringe that's going to be long enough to really get your semen as far into your body as possible. With this, you're able to definitely hit your cervix. So as you can see here, it's able to go through the vaginal canal and get to the cervix, and you still have plenty left over. And mind you, you're going to have, you know, your outer part of your vagina here as well. It's going to take up some space. So with this one, you're able to comfortably inject it into yourself, versus a little syringe that you're going to be like kind of, you know, very close trying to get that syringe in there. Whereas this, you're able to comfortably get the fluid into your cervix. So I love the fact that this one is so much longer than like the Mosey Baby. Absolutely love that about this. The plastic, just like all their other products, is a very durable plastic. Also, I love the fact that you're able to move the syringe very fluidly, very, simple and easy to glide along the plastic. It's not hard, so it'll be a very seamless motion when you're ready to insert the sperm. Now, as far as the instructions in the bottle, it tells you to place your fluid into the cup. If you're using frozen specimen, you want to follow the instructions that you got with that, but otherwise you'll just put your specimen in the cup, and then you just pull back the syringe. So you'll have your fluid here, and you would just pull back the fluid into the syringe, and then you would just insert the fluid into yourself by pushing the syringe. And with this, you don't have to worry about wasting fluid, because you're able to get that fluid as far up as possible, so you don't have to worry about wasting a lot of fluid with this. Also, the last step is to leave the syringe in place, and then elevate your hips and lay with your hips elevated for 10 to 15 minutes. So it is, very comfortable. The plastic is very smooth. So it's, very, very comfortable. And someone left a comment on one of my other videos, and that's what I love, that Make a Mom has so many different products. If you're someone who doesn't really like penetration, or you don't really like a lot of like toys and things that have a larger footprint, they have a mixture of both. So with this, if you're someone who really doesn't like say, more of a dildo type of device, or if you don't like having a menstrual cup, with this you don't have to use a menstrual cup with this. You can literally just insert the fluid, leave it inside, and you'll be able to achieve the results that you want to achieve. And the great thing, like I said, is that it gets further in because it's just longer than the competitor products on the market. So far, I would say that this one is really going to change the game, in my opinion, because just looking at the Mosey Baby, and I will be doing a video in depth on the differences between the Mosey Baby and the Cryobaby. But as you guys can see, look how small this is in comparison to the Cryobaby. Also, unlike the Mosey Baby, the Cryobaby, just as all the Make a Mom products, they're washable and reusable. So you'll be able to use this over and over again. You can wash it, dry it, put it back in your storage container, and then it's ready to go when you want to insert your next specimen. This is great for someone who wants to try multiple times while you're ovulating versus just trying once or twice. And it's a much more affordable option. So I love the construction of this. I would highly recommend checking them out. So make sure you guys check the Make a Mom Cryobaby out on makeamom.com. You can use my discount code SheilaFree for free shipping at checkout. Thank you guys for watching as always, and I will see you guys soon for another video. Bye.